Hello and welcome to another video. Basically, do you remember the last video I made about that I was going to buy a project for 1500 quid to put in my workshop and build on the channel? I've done it. It'll be getting delivered on Saturday. I'm not going to tell you what it is, but do you know what it is? I wish I'd started my channel when I first started building my T4 rat rod, right? Because most of it was done by the time I started my channel, so I couldn't really do a lot on it. So I wish I'd have started a vehicle from scratch, which is what I'm going to do this time. First things first, problem is this. First things first, my workshop, I call it my workshop. It's a big old tent, but it works for me. It's massive, but my workshop is full of crap from my girlfriend moving in. So I'm trying to get rid of all this stuff. Today I'm going to be sorting out getting rid of all this stuff, clearing the whole workshop out so I can get the car in here. I'm planning on putting a big table up the end, and anyway, that doesn't matter. So yes, just a quick video to tell you that I've got a vehicle. It's from 1984, if I remember rightly, so it's an old one, and I'll be doing a lot of customizing on it. I'm talking cutting wheel arches off, I'm talking slamming, I'm talking proper. I'm going to start from scratch on this vehicle. You've seen the amount of work I put into my T4 rat rod. I'm planning on doing the same to this, but documenting it from the start. So bear with me, there'll be a video coming on Saturday showing you the unveiling of the new beast that I'm going to be customizing. But for now, I'm just going to get on, clean out this workshop, sort the workshop out, get it ready to start customizing and filming. So yeah, watch this space, wait for the video on Saturday, and you'll see what it is. See you then.